What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show y'all how to make $12 for every audio track you listen to. It'll be scattered out through somewhere in my video. It may be the first one I show you. It may be the last one I show you. It may be in the middle. But I'm going to show you 6 different websites that you can make money just listening to music. There's nothing more, nothing less. But anyway, if you like making money, this is the place to be. I always try to show you something new and unique every day. If you would like, subscribe, comment, let me know you like it, don't like it. Give me ideas on what you want to see, what you want to know. If you want my #1 recommendation for making $200 or $300 a day passively with a real online business, check out the first link in the description. But with that being said, let's get started. The first website we're going to go to is called Cash for Minutes. You get paid for making phone calls. What it is, you can call in and you listen to radio broadcast over your phone. It's they got speedy payments. You can refer a friend. Global access. You can do this anywhere in the world. We'll need constant. They need new numbers all the time. How it works: you sign up, access number, choose number, dial, making sure you always perform a short test call to check you not being charged and get paid. That's basically it. Easy to manage all your data because they have back office that'll show you. You got a refer a friend program. You get up to 5 invite requests per day. You can invite them. You receive 5% every time they make something, and you'll receive 1% on everything they refer. Like, say I refer you and then you refer somebody else. Whoever you refer, I get 1% off of that too. You're getting 5, I'm getting 1, and they're getting the rest. They got testimonials here, and of course you can get in touch with them to find out more. The second website I'm going to show you is called Radio Earn. Here again, you listen to music. They're in 35 different countries. What you do here, you sign up, create an account that's 100% free. Sign in, log into your account, start your radio, use the API, and earn and pay out. Every 15 minutes you get points. These points will convert following month to USD via bank account transfer, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. You can even get Bitcoin here, guys. Think about it. It's a cryptocurrency that seems to be going up and really not stopping. So this is a way to possibly make even more money. Features you'll love: how I can place the best placed ads. You can style your radio, earn and pay out, simple system, detailed schematics. Here's your FQA you may want to go over. This is the big one though. Everybody wants to know is how long's payout. It's a net 30. That means whatever you make, you'll get 30 days later. And this one right here, you can't use bots because it will ban your account. Let's see. Older browsers is not a problem, and it's 100% free, no premium packages. So it's something to consider. Unfortunately, this one does not have a refer a friend, so you really can't make a whole lot extra. But they got 38,000 members. 1,000 listeners, and they've already paid out, what is that, 201,000. So I mean, you know, they've been on the block a while, y'all. This is a legitimate company. Number 3 will be this one here. Well, once my computer loads, I'll show you. It's called Earnability. And with this one, you get offers such as gift cards, payment wall, super rewards. I need to. Oh man, fellas. Let me log out and show you the home page. Make it easier. Here we go. Digital rewards, gift cards made easy, instant rewards, sign up, complete offers, get rewarded, Earnability, the online reward cashback site. It's easy to get started, earn points, simple offers. 5 minutes, you get these amount of points. Instant rewards, you get Amazon, Visa cards, Domino's. What is that? That's Chipotle, Nintendo Shop, PlayStation, Hulu, Starbucks, and here again you got another refer a friend site. This is what people were saying right here. This is 2 days ago. Earn free reward gift cards with Earnability. Join today. This is their. If you click on it, it's going to get them extra points because you did it. And you can get started in under a minute. Let me log in. Show you. I've just started this myself, so the invite here, you get 10% of their earnings forever. Earn a friend, keep referring new users. Earnability, watch rankings. You can even use promotional banners on if you got a blog or whatever. See, here's your banners that you can use, which I may do. But anyway, this is number 3. If y'all are liking this so far, give me a thumbs up. And if you want a way to make more passive income, which I know listening to music is fairly easy and fairly passive, but the other one that I have will show you exactly how to start a business from scratch online, and it's beginner friendly. And that had to pop up. Okay, let's get rid of that. Number 4 is this one right here, which is Slice the Pie. Get paid for your opinion. It's simple. They help you make decisions. Latest paid review sites, you earn cash for every review you leave. Feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, recording labels, and brands make decisions. This one right here, you may be doing something for a brand new brand, may even do something along the lines of like with Apple or like Dr. Dre Beats, or you know, you may listen to whoever on the radio, you know, and the better your reviews, the more money you'll make. And they have over 41 million reviews submitted and already paid out over 4 million, right at $5 million. And this site has been around for years. I know it's been around 10-15 years at least. Um, Let me see if I can go on the homepage. Nah, it ain't gonna give me nothing else. Okay. So, but yeah, they've been on the scene a long time. And in this right here, I will leave a description, or in the description, I'll leave a link to all these for y'all. Just because I know it's easier just to go down and click the link and find them. Number 5, we've got Unique Rewards. This site's a little different. They've been out quite some time. As you can see, it's a very old site. Testimonials. I just signed up absolutely free, received $105 in 2 days. The easiest way to earn additional money. You complete offers and surveys, watch videos, listening to the radios, clicking ads, shopping online, reading emails. What it is, basically it's like the rest of them. There is other stuff you can do. And with this one, there is a referral based one too. And on the referral, you get, if I remember right, let's see, it's going to take me to a video. If I remember right, don't hold me to this, guys, but I think it's 10%. But it only covers certain things that if your people do, you get paid and everything else. Which, I mean, it's free money over what you're already doing, which you really can't complain about. There again, if you're looking to truly start a online business, check out the first link in my description, and it will help you, whether you're brand new or a seasoned vet. It'll help you build a true online business. But for the 6th and last one, we're going to talk about the one that pays $12 per song. That pays you $12 US per song. And for that one, it is, come on up, we know you want to, they want to see it. You got Playlist Push, creating artists, or connecting artists with playlist creators, or curators, I'm sorry. What it is that, if you own playlist, it's for people that's got a big following on Spotify or something like that. You've got to have 400 people subscribe to your playlist on Spotify in order to be accepted to this program. But with that being said, there's ways around it. There's numerous videos on YouTube that'll teach you how to do that. And once you get to that level, you come on here and you listen to one song, 3, 4, let's say it's a long song, say it's 7 minutes long, and you make $12. There's roughly 9 sevens, right? And 60 minutes. I know that's actually 63, but okay, let's say 6 times 12, $72 an hour. If you listen to 6 songs an hour, I think this could really work for curators. Discover the best up and coming indie artist. What you do here, you click on become a curator, and it'll take you to this page right here. Sign up using your Spotify. I'll be honest with you, I don't even have a Spotify. I should, but I never have. If you already have an account, you can log in there. Let's go back to where it said learn more and see what else I can tell you guys, or let you see on the screen, or however. monetize and grow your playlist, tell me more, get paid to review, weekly payouts, support artists, discover music, and all these actually do pay to PayPal or bank transfers. And there's a couple of them that actually pay on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's a beautiful thing. Their network, they got over 800 curators, over 25 million listeners, and 4,000 plus. We have ran more than 4,000, but they got 24 artists and bands. They've been mentioned in all these, and this is what the artists are saying. But I think I've rambled on long enough. This is Mike from MikeMoneyTips.com. Till tomorrow. Later.